Stephanie with Coco and Alley Boutique. But I have a super duper, and I'm excited about this craft too. Super duper cute. Well, it's more of a DIY than a craft. That I'm gonna do for y'all, and I think everybody will like it. So anyway, what I've got here is some dowel rods. I've got 2 of these. This is 7/8 inch by 36 inches, so 3 feet, and then it's 7/8 inches, 7/8 of an inch around, almost an inch. And then I've got this one, and this one was, these 3 were a 36 inch rod, and they are 3/8 of an inch, but I cut these in 12-inch pieces. So you need 3 12-inch pieces, and then 2 36-inch by 7/8 of an inch. And then I'm using my Varathane wood stain in the color dark walnut. And I just use a wipe to do the staining. So just dip your wipe down in the stain, get some on there, and just rub it onto your wood. And I got these dowel rods, all of them at Walmart, but you can get these at I think you can get them at Hobby Lobby. You could get them at Home Depot, I'm sure, or Lowe's, or any craft store or home improvement store should have them. And they're not expensive either, so that's the good thing. So just, get it all stained. See how that's all stained? All my pieces are all now stained. And y'all, as I tell y'all, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just cute. So let me get my little Sharpie. So I'm just kind of marking a line every 9 inches. So at 9 inches, 18 inches, and 27 inches. So the next thing I'm going to do is I want to be able to hang this like I told y'all. So I'm going to put a hanger on it. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm just going to put some hot glue up here on the top. Just a little dab. You don't need a lot. And wrap my twine. I'm just using twine. You can get twine at Dollar Tree or any, Walmart or Hobby Lobby, any arts and crafts place. You can get twine. So, like I said, I'm just wrapping this around. And I'm just going to put little dabs of hot glue here and there. And then once you get to the end, put you of where you're wrapping to the end of your dowel. Put you a dab of hot glue, and then decide how long you want your hanger to be. I don't want mine to be that long, so I'll probably just do mine like that. And then go to the other side and do the same thing. Put you a dab of glue, and then just wrap. Ooh. And then when you get to the end, Again, just put you a dab of glue. And then just cut your twine. And then glue down the very end of it. And I think I just figured out what I'm gonna do instead, because this is not sticking at all, the glue that I put on those. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut me a piece of twine, and I'm just gonna, let's see how I'm gonna do this. We'll see if this works. I don't know. Let me put a little dab of hot glue here. Y'all, if I can get this to work, it's going to be really, really cute. It's just being a pain. So this, yeah, I'm just going to wrap this around, this twine around several times in, you know, each direction. And I think it'll hold. Yeah, it's gonna hold, it'll hold it. Look at there. That's holding that perfectly. And that'll still look cute. It'll still have a farmhouse feel. And then I'm just gonna glue it. Okay. All right, y'all, I did it. I got one of them attached. Now let's attach it on the other side, okay? We can do this, y'all. Oh, I really like this, y'all. I think y'all will too. Look at this. And it's a little wobbly, but that don't matter. Isn't that cute? To hang, I'm going to hang mine on my kitchen wall. And let me show y'all, oh, I already pulled them up here. A cute way that I'm going to decorate mine for Halloween. And then after Halloween's over, I'll probably, you know, do it for Thanksgiving. But I got these towels at the Dollar Tree today. So I'm just going to put a towel on each one of the rods. Whoops. Okay. And then I know y'all are going to love this one. Everybody loves gnomes. Look at this one. Isn't that cute? With all the little gnomes. And y'all, they had the matching pot holders and oven mitts of all these towels too. But I don't need any of that stuff. I was like, I have enough stuff as it is. Okay. Let me get this one on here. Hang on. Hang on, y'all. Let me get this straightened up. All right. So there it is with the little towels on it. And then I'm also going to take this little garland and put it on here somehow. I don't know how. Let me see. And this garland. Thank you, Deanne. Or Deanne. You're going to have to go back to Dollar Tree. Girl, I went to 2 of them today. Because I forgot something in the one. But I'm glad I went to the second one because they had the pool noodles that I got. I got black pool noodles today. I'd heard that they had them, but I hadn't seen them yet. Because, you know, they don't, it seems like they don't all get the same stuff. I don't know what they do, but. And now I have this little skeleton garland, y'all. And so I'm just going to drape it on here. I'm going to, let's see. I'm going to tie it right here. But y'all, these dowel rods are not expensive. So this is an inexpensive project you can do. You know, a lot of times when you find these blanket ladders and towel ladders, they're expensive, but you can make your own for cheap. Oh, this is cute, y'all. Okay. Y'all, look at that. Look at how cute that is. With all the little skeletons hanging on it. And the towels. Is that not cute? I'm going to hang it on my kitchen wall. And then I'll show y'all once I'm done. But that's all I came on to show y'all. I hope y'all all have a great night. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye. Love you guys.